the door to the room. Swing, swing. Another swing they use. Sticks as stands. They love sleeping this side of the cockatiels. The wall of mirrors. The box. The cage. And then sticks down there. Then a stand going onto the cockatiel's and parrot's cage of eating, drinking, and then parrot's eating stand. My log watching Battleground. Holla real. Roar is Jericho, roar is Battleground. Jericho is Battleground, sorry. Got too excited to jump the gun. There's their stand they love, the cockatiels. And the swing, there you are. Hello. There's Mel. Loves it. And there's Daisy Chew will follow. Oh, Chewy. Grimly down there. And Tiago's, that blue boy's, see? His favourite swing and ladder and plaything, and then there, another eating cage, and her box she hasn't been out for weeks. All stacked on milk crates and sticks everywhere as perches. Look at him perching up there, boy. So we'll try and replicate the same, but I won't have the couch as where I'm riding. Got this log, but the log's coming with me. And I'll just have a seat, but the room you're going to is much bigger, and I'm getting sunlight put in. So you'll have ventilation, solar lighting, sunlight coming in, no windows, and a much bigger area. There he goes, his favourite swing, and look at him, buoy! He's a swinging buoy. Oh. Oh. Mortiche is on the swing, Mortiche. And the new place you go, bigger aviary inside the garage. In the first room leading into my room, the main room, is we'll all have a swinging perch each, a foamy perch each, ladders to climb each, more room, so when babies come out and use our babies, it'll be all good. This was an awesome room, cleaned up every day, see? They do shit on the areas you put down because of their perch. They don't shit on their perches that much. They, as you saw before in this video, Tiago took a poop. See, they love eating bark. He's having a chewing stick. As he loves grass, Tiago boy. But all these perches and sticks were aimed where they turn their body and they shit it all over. I made sure I cleaned up daily as I went. So where we go, it's going to be even cleaner, and this was a very clean place. No. And we'll have that set up the same that I call the tree of life. Oh. And then I've got the stand. Could have designed it a bit better. There's a bit of a poo area, but obviously moving out soon, I'll give it a big spray before it goes in the new room. Oh, Gargamel, look at you. Oh, Daisy's choosing you, look at her. Daisy, do you choose? Gargamel. And what's Mel doing? She puts her head down. Oh, look at this. And reject. Naughty boy. Oh, Gargamel. She wants to hug and kiss, and you want to peck naughty boy. And there's Grimly. Oh, and Mortiche giving herself a clean like Tiago. And Daphne never comes out of the hole. She's got eggs or little babies. She's been there for 3 weeks. Comes out, Tiago feeds her, or she quickly gets to that cage over there, eat some food and run straight back in as I got it on video. Oh, look at him. Naughty boy. Oh, Gargamel. Naughty boy. She's trying to choose you. She's daisy chewing. Oh, look. Oh, he doesn't want a bar of it. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. No. She's trying to choose you. No. Naughty boy. Gargamel. Mel. Grimly's sneaking up, isn't he? I see you, Grimly. Oh, he's a sneaking buoy. What's he up to? He's a big buoy. Yes, he's a big buoy. Mortish is a big gale. Male and female. The male's not getting along. Look, snapper. Having a bite, having a chew, boy. Naughty boy. Could that be the first bisexual gay bird like South Park had? Stands gay dong. Was that a Gargamel? Look at him. Oh. We saw hump a lot over there. Diago was humping 2-3 times a day. Now he's oh, he's sneaking off. I caught you again, buoy. Oh. Gargamel. Naughty buoy. They're all chilling out. Cockatiels turn into roosters when the sunlight comes up in the morning about 6:37. They'll all start their tweets for a couple of hours and settle down. Iago doesn't really do much until she comes out, and when she was out, he was always talkative. Now he's just waiting on call just to spit down her throat, feed her, make sure she's got enough food in the stomach to supply, in case I couldn't give him an apple one day. Oh, Gargamel, naughty boy, and we'll zoom out of the aviary one more time. There's my closet. See a swing over there too. Obviously she's sitting on one of the Mortish. Diago's and the pink one over there for the gears. Swings will have to be replicated. Ladder. This was the bird aviary inside a room. Now there'll be a bird aviary inside a garage. With sunroofs, solar panels, venting. No light switch at all. Alright. And